Hello, welcome to Sherwood Talks Philosophy. Thank you for tuning in. On today's podcast, I'll be debating the notion for and against animal rights. Point 2. Thoughts about zoos. Point 4. The animals are protected from prey. They also get fed. If they have a medical problem, they would get medical assistance. Humans get to experience seeing the animals. Points against. If staff were cruel to the animals, another drawback for the animals is the enclosures being really small. The animals may be lonely because they can't roam around and see other animals. To conclude, I don't think humans should have so much contact with animals. I think they should be left in the wild. Till the next time, listeners, over and out.